Welcome to the future of rail travel. Hyperpoland is developing a Hyperloop-inspired ultra-high-speed upgrade to our conventional railways.
Our technology is aiming to provide fully autonomous electric mode of transport for goods and passengers that can travel at high speeds on existing railways or special designed infrastructure using linear motor and magnetic levitation.
The railway industry hasn't seen much innovation since the 1980s. Cargo transport is mostly dominated by heavy-duty vehicles, while long-distance passenger travel by airplanes. Beyond restoring the competitiveness of railways, our ultimate aim is to relieve road congestion and reduce CO2 emissions, leaving a better planet for everyone.
The implementation of Hyperpoland's system involves 3 steps and is based on the use of existing railway infrastructure. This approach will ensure the organic and flexible development of the system. Stage 1. The first step will be to create a magnetic rail that will move vehicles up to 300 km per hour in existing transport corridors. Stage 2. In the second step, we will upgrade the system created in Stage 1 with special vacuum covers, which will allow moving freight and passenger vehicles at a speed of 600 km per hour. Stage 3. The third and final product is the most innovative means of passenger transport. By building new infrastructure, it will be possible to travel at speeds of up to 1,200 km per hour.
We believe that our Hyperloop-inspired technology, implemented gradually within the existing railway corridors, can contribute to the revitalization of the railway industry.
The initial Hyperloop concept requires creation of a new infrastructure corridors, but Hyperpoland is looking for upgrading existing railways to the Hyperloop standard.
We develop intellectual property, IP, which we protect with patents. Our technology will be licensed by rolling stock manufacturers, producers of railway infrastructure elements, and optionally other Hyperloop companies.
Hyperpoland's market and potential for growth is huge, with the global rolling stock market estimated to be worth 48 billion euros and the global market for railway infrastructure elements being an estimated 125 billion euros.
Hyperpoland was incorporated in April 2017, and since then our team has built a first in CE 4-meter-long Hyperloop vehicle prototype, which was sent to California for tests during the SpaceX Hyperloop pod competition.
We have developed strong relationships with key industry players, including Lot Polish Airlines and the Railway Research Institute.
We have won numerous awards in Poland and abroad, and have been covered in the media more than 200 times.
Our long-term strategy is to position Hyperpoland in a way to make it potential acquisition target by one of the leading global railway companies.
This founding round helped us build a 48-meter-long 1:5 scale proof of concept and levitation rig, which will be used for tests of electromagnetic subsystems and later on applied for full-scale 150-meter-long prototype.
Hyperloop is an innovative mode of transport. The Railway Research Institute will assure its safe and reliable operation and is very proud to participate in this project.
Come aboard today and help us make the planet a better place for generations to come. Dream big and move fast with Hyperpoland.